Okay, so I got this one downloading PC Linux OS, and then I'm gonna let that one finish before I download the next one. Um, I'm trying to think of what I should really be like trying to run because this is gonna be, what is this one based off of? I don't even really tell you. Synaptic Package Manager. Um, So Kostin gave me a whole bunch of hard drives. So I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of like get one computer for like a test bed, and then we'll just take a drive and not all of them. I think all of them are good, but I think most of them are. And we'll just flash Linux on each one, and it would be kind of cool if I could like have like some super boot system where like, well, I think I'm going to use this one. Now, when I've gotten into like multiple operating systems on a computer on the single hard drive, it always seemed to just kind of be a pain in the butt. It was always like, okay, now the bootloader's not working, and this one part of the Windows is taking over or whatever. But like I was saying, I'm trying to find something to replace Windows. I don't want to use Windows anymore unless I absolutely I have to. So um, there's other choices out here. This thing, like I said, I wanted to try this because I had used PC Linux OS in the early 2000s, and I really liked it. I thought it was really clean looking, and it was like very similar to like a Windows kind of feel back at that time. At that time, I think we were still running XP mostly, and it had a very XP kind of feel to it. It's been around for a while, obviously. Let's see what they say here, if there's any information about it, but it uses RPM based files, so I think that it's based on like Red Hat or something. I'm not sure. Um, I'm sure somebody will clarify this. The top 5 Linux distributions for 2024. Let's see what they say. Or was that an ad? Save on this, save on that. What the hell? Sponsored results. That's not what I want to see. Okay. So this is just table notes. What is this? It is an ad, isn't it? That's weird. Okay. I'm curious though what they think the top 5 are. Release date. Holy hell, look at this. So that I don't know what that means. 0.9.92. I don't think PC Linux OS was out in 91 or 92. Definitely 2007. So it's always used KDE basically. Let's see what it used in 97. RPM, apt. So, yeah, Chromium, blah blah blah, blah. GIMP. Yeah, I used to use the GIMP a lot. K3B. I forget what that was, like one of those music players or video player or something. There's just been so much cool stuff like for Linux, but it was always kind of like back in the day. It was like, well, it didn't really run that good, So, okay, let's see what here. We had the Arch Linux. Let's see what that one looks like. That's going to use KDE. What these pop-ups are obnoxious. I don't have an ad blocker. What happens when we click that? What does it do? Does it take us away from that, or does it take us to the distro for Arch Linux? Okay. Arch Linux. in 2012, 2007. Boy, these ads are intrusive. Where is my ad blocker? Okay, so distro watch, archlinux.org, download. This should bring us to a mirror. The image can be downloaded to a DVD mounted as an ISO file or directly written to a USB flash drive. The size is 1.1 gigabyte. That's fairly small. Let's see, installation guide, magnet, link, torrent. I don't want to download any torrents. I just want to download it from a mirror somewhere. Okay. Is this because they don't have ability to do that? Updated mirror list. All mirrors. That sounds like crap to me. Typical. Okay, this is a list. These are no mirrors here. Okay. So what we want to do then is like ham radio Linux. Ham radio. Now I know that there's some stuff out there that is compiled. Andy's ham radio Linux. Let's see, Linux and ham radio. Linux.org. Okay. Andy's ham radio. What other stuff? Ham radio software Linux. Amateur radio software Linux. All right. Let's try something different. Ubuntu Linux for hams. Interesting. I think I've seen this before. Hey, wait a minute. Is the ARL's website down? Ubuntu Linux for hams. A free operating system for your PC with all the usual features, including lots of ham radio applications. What is Ubuntu? Ham radio applications. Okay. Blind, blah, 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 blah. Did they ever anywhere link where you can get it? Now, apparently Ubuntu has their own website, Conical. Open source edge fast. Modern enterprise. Products. Ubuntu desktop, Ubuntu Pro. So they're actually pretty smart. They've like figured out ways to like monetize it. Now I think is there a way to download the KDE version of this, or is it just going to start to do a download, a huge download of 6 gigabytes? What the hell? It is probably. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not seeing it. So I definitely don't want to download that. Linux distro for all your ham needs. And which one is it that they're referencing? Debian Linux based called Dragon OS. And there's like a link or something. Software defined radio made easy. I have no idea what the hell we're looking at. Some kind of link to something. Debian based Linux distribution called Dragon OS. Yeah, so this is just a interesting thing. Let's see if we can find it on the distro watch. Okay. CD. Dragonfly. Dragon. It's not on the distro. So, don't know what to tell you guys. Anyway. Looks like a bunch of crap to me. And who knows when it was posted. The Linux ham top. The hell? And I'm not installing something that's called Andes. Like, sorry, dude, I don't want your damn name on my operating system. So, you automatically lose right there. Okay? Not gonna happen. It's like these people that upload 3D prints with their call sign on it. I'm not going to print it. If I really want it, I will remove your call sign off of it and print it anyways. But yeah, no, I'm not downloading some crap that somebody else has compiled and then put their name on it. So, not happening. Okay, so there was another one, but I just don't see it anymore. Maybe it fell out of popularity.